Eric here with two new awesome updates to your favorite Slack add-on, Abe Ott. Oh, look, it's me. First update is now we support GPT 3.5 and GPT-4. By default, you're going to be on GPT 3.5 because that's great for most tasks, but sometimes you need that extra AI juice and it's available. Please note, if you switch to GPT-4, you're going to burn through tokens a lot faster. It's actually 10x more expensive than GPT 3.5. So the reason we have this nifty toggle is so that you can quickly go here, send off your chats or prompts to Abe, get your answers, and switch back. This is a user-specific configuration, meaning if I change this, it's only going to change for me, not for my entire organization. And the next update to Abe Ott is a massive overhaul of our image generation service. Now you can use the imagine command or imagine prompt to generate AI images. Here's a fun prompt. When I send that request, it's actually going to bring up this modal, giving you further configuration options for your prompt. You can select your model so you can better fine tune exactly what it is that you're looking for. I usually use Choose For Me and it gives me great results, but you can do photorealism, 3D animation, pixel art, etc. We also have prompt assistance. And what this does will take your prompt and kind of make it better to the best of AI's ability so that you get a result more in line with what we think you're looking for. Note, when you turn off prompt assistance, you can actually include a negative prompt. So a negative prompt is something that you want to avoid. A lot of people say weird hands or, more than 5 fingers, stuff like that. And then you can choose how many images you want and the resolution of those images. So I'll do 2 images. Okay. And this is a intellectual fish hosting a webinar. Here are some ones that I created previously that I thought turned out pretty cool. This is a majestic hippo posing magnificently at dawn in the streets of Tokyo. Here's a giraffe doing something similar, a blob, and a chick in a meadow. There you go. Have fun with it.